Hello, welcome to another lesson. Today we see part of the gang as they get ready for the end of the academic year. So they're outside their language school sitting on the stairs, and Claude asks the questions of how do you get here to school? So today we'll learn about the means of transportation as well as the prepositions you have to use with these nouns. So let's watch.
Funny that in almost a year I have never seen you around, guys.
Yes, funny Dad. How was that even possible? I always come to meet Stephen and haven't seen you around.
Well, I study German, not English, and I do spend long hours at the library and then.